Let's put together your tropical splash water park so it's ready for play. Before we get started, take a moment to make sure all parts are included in the box. If anything is missing, our customer service team is happy to help. As you assemble, keep in mind that the screws are designed to form their own holes. Just line them up, apply steady pressure, and tighten until secure. First, insert the stem into the rubber stopper to create the basin drain plug. Next, close the rubber stopper around the drain plug and place it into the basin drain opening. From underneath, twist the drain nut clockwise around the stem until it feels secure. Now, assemble the hose connector and then insert the hose attachment into the hose. A little dish soap can make this easier. Push firmly until the attachment is fully seated. Once that's in place, attach the plastic clamp using the provided 5/8" screws. Feed the hose through the tree trunk, starting from the connector side until it comes out the other end. It may help to stand the trunk upright and let gravity do some of the work. Next, attach the bucket holder to the tree top using the provided 1" screws. Insert the trunk into the tree top, making sure everything is facing the correct direction. Then secure it with the provided 1" screws and attach the nozzle. Place the trunk assembly into the basin. Secure the trunk to the basin using the provided 1½ screws. Now, create the upper level drain plug. Place the drain plug into the upper level, then secure it from underneath with the drain plug nut. Set the upper level onto the basin. Gently pull apart the bucket holder and place the coconut bucket into position. Make sure the plastic tabs sit in front of the stopper. While applying pressure and twisting, snap the banana into the banana connector. Then insert the assembly into the trunk. Finally, place the spinner onto the upper level. And that's it! Your tropical splash water park is assembled and ready for play. From all of us at Step2 and the hardworking team here in Ohio, thanks for bringing us into your family's playtime.